What's happening, guys? Milton Washington Tech 1999 here. I'm gonna go ahead and just get right to the point. We have another box ready to open. I've decided that I'm gonna try to talk a lot less in my videos. We'll see how that works out. As you guys can see right away, brand new headphones. These are the Sony WH-CH700Ns. I got them on a nice Black Friday deal on Amazon. They were only $80. Normally, I think they were $120. That's pretty much all we got. So I'm gonna rip open the plastic, get the box open, and show you guys what we're dealing with. Okay, in the package we have the headphones themselves. We have a user guide. I should say a starting guide, user manual, USB to charge, and a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. So these are Bluetooth active noise canceling headphones, and they also use NFC. They have, see, near field contact. That's what it means. And I already turned them on. Sweet. So I'm going to have these things connect. I'm going to try them out for myself. Not too much to this. Very durable material. These are over-ear noise canceling headphones. So I'll go ahead and give you guys like an updated review here in the next couple weeks or so. But I've got to try these things out for myself to see if I really made a good investment or not. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys for the next upload.